way home. Papi's going to take this sponge. Whoopies, hi bees. And then, here, let's smoke them a little bit more, please.
Okay.
Thank you, honey.
Wait.
Oh, you're the best helper.
Yeah.
Hard to grip with those gloves, right? Smoke right on top. And then right in the hole. Right in the hole. Right there, babe. Awesome. Now you can put it back down on the rock and we can load this up.
The smoke made me cough.
That's
I
okay.
know.
You're doing a great job.
Wow.
Look at all these, huh, Milo? Look. Now the queen is going to be green this year.
Wait, it is?
Yeah. She has a special marker on her that's green. Want to come closer, honey, and see? You got to help me look because Papi can't see green.
Just stay out of the smoke. You can go around it.
Yeah, the queen is already green. And remember we say we have to paint everything in the whole road green?
I remember that. Can you smoke them again for me, please?
Sure. Why do I have to smoke them a lot of times?
Well, because I want them to be calm. Perfect. And smoke these guys too, honey? Perfect. Okay, good. Here we go, folks.
I'm behind me. Where?
No, it's not a bee, sweetie. Where are you, Queenie?
I kind of see it. Look, green. It was in there.
You saw her?
Yeah, look.
Where?
Look, green.
Oh, I see her. Oh, do you see her? Oh, she's beautiful. Milo, that was a good call. I would have missed her. I would not have seen her if you